Hello everyone, today we are making drip smoke in Houdini. So begin. Embarking from animation car. So this is my animated car. In my animation the drip effect began after frame 180. So after 180 smokes will be started to be emitted. So start from the group nodes. Group the wheel components separately. Here we need to separate the car, body and wheel. Instead of split we are using delete node. Just take a group what we have created and tag as body. Select another node to delete and this one will be a mark as non-selected. And this will be our wheel tag. So right now we have the body and wheel as a separate component. Now we are going to create some limited space around our mesh. So take a loop node of feedback. Between them add a time shift. Click on the setting icon and create a spare inputs. Now click on the begin nodes and create a metadata. In time shift simply drag the meta node in the spare input. The expression are after the frame. In simple terms means you started with the value f and added the 50 times the current iteration number to it. Connect the loop begin node to animated car node. At the begin node change the method to fetch input. In repeat and here the merge each iteration. Next node will be our bound. Just increase the lower and upper padding. The box will be represent our selection. Use grid for ground. Increase the size according to your animation. Tag will be our ground. Here we need to create a group node. Connect the first input to our ground and second input to our bounding box. Renaming this sub. Group type will be our points. Enable the bounding region and set the bounding types to bounding object. So converting the primitive to points we need to use a group promote. Group name will be our sub. Convert the point to primitives. Take sub divide node. Increase the type thread. Just select a group. And this is our base. In the preview we can see that the ground surrounding the car is highly subdivided. Take object merge node. Import the wheel. We need attribute transfer. Use colors to mask. Create differences. I am using red and black. Connect black input in the first and second will be our red. Now click on condition. The distance threshold will be set to 0.1 and the blend width will be set to 0.1. Take a blast node. The group type will be set to points. Delete the unwanted points which is less than 1. Take attribute delete and delete the primitives and points attributes. Our emitter source will be ready. For the seam take a popnet and first input our emitter. Double click on popnet. Just go in the first input. The birth rate will be our expression. The smoke will be emitted at the frame 180 and will dissipate by frame 250. Please adjust these two values according to your animation. Just catch for optimization. So we can see that the particles are emitting after 180 frame. Adjust the life expectancy to 0.9 and the life variance 0.1. Just catch this. This is our emit trail. Now we are going to take a pyro source. Initialize them as a smoke. Add one more attributes and change the custom to velocity. Now take a attribute noise. Give the variances noise to velocity and density. Now take a volume rasterize attributes. Rasterize the velocity and density. To use DOPNet for pyro simulation. Now import the wheel using object merge. Add some points on it. So we are going to use wax. Take a volume wrangler. Connect second input to scatter node. Now first will be our rasterize attributes. We need to establish a custom velocity for smoke based on its distance. We are importing a scattering point subdivision. Second will be our distance between pyro and points. Make float attribute called VS. This will gonna work for volume samples. For changes we are gonna use if statement. Set the velocity to increase the 3 times if the distance exceeds a specific threshold, otherwise the velocities will be 0.5. Take volume visualizer to visualize the velocity. Change density fill to V and diffuse fill will be V. I am using some color for diffuse fill also. This is our velocity map. In Wrangler, change the values according to your effects. Take one more volume Wrangler for noise. Make a float variable called param. So we are going to use noise functions for attribute density and attribute velocity and multiply with our custom parameter and just click on compiler. Give some threshold noise, I am using 5 and just connect the first input of the top network. Double tap. So take a pyrosolar sphere. Take smoke object sphere and connect this to the first input. In solver of everything. So we are using a multi-solver right now. Make sure in simulation advection reflection will be single project. After that take a merge. For collision we are using static object. Collision behavior will be volume collision. In volume mode will be volume sample. For this we need to generate a VDB for proxy while in object mode. Let's return to initial stage where our animated car is located. So take a collision source. First input our collision, second input our VDB. In collision volume just increase the volume size. After that just go inside the pyro. Give the VDB path location to volume proxy location. Make sure the use deform geometry is enabled and object transform also. Next node will be our ground plane. Just merge together. Connect the merge input to the merge node of the solder. Ensure that the collision merge is always positioned on the left hand side. After that we need a volume sources. Connect the third input. Switch to object mode and create a null object named source. Give the path location of the source. Change initializing type will be source smoke. We are now controlling the simulation using microsolver. So take a merge. Add gas dissipation node and set the exploration rate to 0.9 and diffusion will be 0.01. Simply copy the voxel size from the smoke object and paste relative reference to the voxel size in volume rasterize. Replicate this thing in pyrosource also and set voxel size to 0.09. And don't forget to enable the enlarge fill in the volume source. So adding turbulences, utilizing the gas turbulence settings. For my sim I set the scale 0.05, swirl size will be 2. Adding some noise using disturbance, the change in threshold range from 0.01 to 0.1 and strength will be 0.75. Navigate to control panel and enable the custom fill, ensure that the range is set between 0 and 0.1. In setting change the mode to block base. In control panel set the control field to density. Enable the remap control field. Just duplicate or replicate this node. Modify the base size of the each element slightly to create a random noise and merge this. Create a dope IO. The dope network will be our pyro. Choose preset will be smoke. Use smoke object as the default object. Take object merge and import our car animation. Merge together. Add pyrobake volume. Just adjust the density of the pyrobake volume according to your effects. So this is our drifting car simulation.